Hi guys, this is your Excel Play. So today I have this Scarlet and Violet Japanese 151 ka booster box. So let's open it and get some crazy hit from this. So I'm gonna open it. So let's see if we can pull a God pack or not. So I haven't pulled any like the third evolution like that is Blastoise Venus. I think we have a Venusaur. I think you can see on the back there is a beautiful Venusaur. Let's get some Charizard and Blastile also, and maybe if we pull a God pack that would be great. So hope we get some crazy hits from this. So if you don't know, like currently 151 is at its like the cheapest price. This box cost me around I think 7.5k. I bought it from Panda Store. So huge shout out to Panda Store for bringing Pokemon cards to India. So in this we will be having a 20 I think 20 booster packs. So let's open it and see what we get. So they're like huge lot of bundles. So we're gonna open them one by one and gonna see if we gonna start from the left side. So let's open it and see can we get some hits or not. So maybe a god pack would be great. I don't think there is a card trick to that, so we're gonna start from the start. We got a Porygon, Seal, Lickitung, a Reverse Hollow. I think it's a normal Pokeball Taurus, a Hollow Raichu, and a Persect, and an Apple. I think it's the card trick is two cards to the front. Now let's go to the right one. Uh, Two cards to the front. Start. We get a Kabutops, Kingler, Nidorina. I think it's Hypno. Uh, Duck Trio maybe. Oh, normal Pokeball Nidorina again. And we have pulled our first hit, that is the Charizard EX. So let's put this card into the sleeve itself. So I think this is around I think $3 to $4. Not sure. We will see the price on the screen itself. So let's open the third pack. So I think this set is really great. Like a lot of people have get back into collecting just because of this set. So maybe we get some crazy hit from this. So two card to the front. We got a Zubat, Primeape, Clefairy, Electrode, Oddish. Oh, maybe imagine it's a Master Ball, but it's a normal Pokeball Snorlax, and we have pulled a Hollow Mew. So let's put the Master Ball here, and the old Master. Not sure, we'll do that later. So nothing great till now. Let's open a fourth pack, which is no maybe a God pack. Let's fish for a God pack. Two card to the front. Beautiful left press, not a God pack again. Trainer card, Machop, Muk, Tangela, normal Pokeball Electrode, and Hollow Moltres. Nothing good again. So let's print them out. So if you don't know the Master Ball, I think the Master Ball cards are going much way like compared to normal Pokemon cards. Even like the highest card is I think the Master Ball Gengar or even a Mewtwo, not sure, but let's see we can get anything on those lines. So Hypno, Nidoqueen, Mankey, not sure, Kakuna. Oh, imagine the Master Ball. The Master Ball Pikachu, I think, is one of the craziest hits in this set. So, oh, we got a Zapdos EX. So let's leave this. I think this would be around I think $2-3. Not sure the exact price, but those lines. So we have gotten two X's till now. Let's open another one. So till now no SAR, no AR, just EX and normal Pokeball. Wish for a God pack. Two card to the front. No God pack. Sandshrew, Tentacruel, Dratini, Coughing, Victory Bell. Ho 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 ho! The first AR is the I think it's Wartortle and a beautiful card. Can you see, guys? Amazing. I think is one. The Blastoise is one of the chase card, but this also is one of the chase card for me. And a Hollow Staryu, nothing great, but we have pulled our first AR. That is a Wartortle, beautiful card. Let's see it again. Amazing card, guys. So let's put it in the ear section. And let's open the next pack. I think we still have a lot of packs, so not. Let's see any God pack. Again, two card to the front. Oh, there's something. Not sure what this is. Pinsir, Psyduck, Paris, Mark, It's a normal Pokeball Poliwrath and a Holo Jolteon. So nothing, like only the one AR till now, that is your water turtle AR. So let's open it. I think one thing I like about this pack is it's very easy to open compared to English set. It's very hard. I find it very hard to open though. So we have, I think, a watch, Cloyster, some stone. I think the name is, I'm forgetting it, Jigglypuff. Cute Jigglypuff. Can make you sleep. We have a Geodude. We have a normal Pokeball, Machop, and a Hollow Weezing. So nothing great till now, like nothing too much great. Sorry for the lighting, guys. I have a poor lighting in my room, but bear with me. So we have a beautiful Snorlax, a Haunter. This is, I think, Spearow, Oddish, Slowpoke. We have a normal Pokeball, Scyther, and another Electrode Hollow. So nothing great. Maybe I think till now I'm not happy with the pulls, but they're like still, I think half the box is still left. So let's open it. Sorry, forgot the card trick. 2 cards to the front. We have Golduck, Kadabra, Ancient Fossil, Nidorina, Cute Eevee, and normal Pokeball. So guys, it's a normal Pokeball. It's Seeking, and ho ho ho! We got a War Turtle. Now we got a beautiful Blastoise EX. Amazing card, guys. So let's leave this. We will like put in the top loader later, but for now just leave this. So like a beautiful card, guys. Beautiful. Now open another. I think we have pulled one SA. I think this one an SR. We have pulled one AR. Maybe SAR. Not sure what we got. Maybe even a God Pack. Like there are a lot of crazy possibilities in this set, guys. Even a Master Ball is still pending. So 2 cards to the front. Nido. Oh Master. Beautiful Squirtle. Clefable. Dredini. It's a normal Pokemon, guys. Butterfree and a Hollow Marowak. So maybe I like this set. I'm getting a gut feeling ki we have some crazy hit in this set, guys. 2 cards to the front. Let's execute. Nido, Paras, Pikachu, Poliwag, a normal Pokeball, Geodude, and a Hollow Master. My gut feeling kind of cheated, scammed me. So let's open. I think there are a lot of packs still left on this. So now let's see, we get something. We 2 cards to the front. Correct. You can see, guys, now Glue, Trainer Card, Perfect, Sandshrew, Pidgeot. It's a normal Pokeball, Paras, and Kadabra EX. So this is our third EX. So let's leave this also. I think this is great for my master set because I don't have a lot of EXs, but I'm getting all the different EXs except the Charizard, which might be the third one. So let's put the EX here. Oh man. So let's open this, guys. Like my one dream is to open a God pack. I have opened so many Japanese but haven't got. So 2 cards to the front. Let's see. Not a God pack. I can say Irika, Machop, Ancient Fossil. Not sure. Nido. Guys, a second AR is Bulbasaur AR. Another beautiful card, guys. This is such a cute card. Like we have gotten 2 starter. Maybe I think I have a Charmander. Not sure, but we'll see. And this is such a great card. And we have pulled a Genghis Khan EX, so it's a double hit in this. So let's leave both of them. Such a nice card, guys. In the AR, I'm happy that I'm getting those starters in the AR, but still I'm looking for a SIR. Maybe let's put this Genghis Khan also. I don't have this Genghis Khan. I need it for my master set. Some beautiful Genghis Khan with this baby. So guys, I think we have I think 6 to 7 packs left. Maybe Even like a master ball is still waiting for us. So 2 card to the front. Not a card pack again. Dratini. Seal. Tudrio. Magica. Magmar. Oh, our Master Ball card is Lickitung. That's so sad. I think it's one of the ordinary Pokemon, but I think it's a good cost. And a Hollow Nidoking. So we need to sleep this, but I was expecting something great, maybe a Gengar and a Pikachu, but I think this is the only one. You get one card per box, so I got this, so no issues here. We still have a lot of packs left. I'm not sure. Let us see whether we get our price back or no. Still no graded. It's Hitmonchan. This is Magnemite, Venomon, Rhyhorn, Zubat. Oh, another AR, and this time we have gotten a Psyduck AR. Another great card, guys. We need to sleeve it, and a Hollow Dodorio. So this is, I think, our third AR. I don't expect any more AR, but an SIR is still left. Not sure it's a guaranteed or not, but 4 packs left. Anything can happen. Fourth AR goes here. I think third AR, sorry. One was SR. I think maybe another SR is waiting for me. Not sure. Even a God pack, who knows. Not a God pack again. Reticat. Some glasses. Magnemite. Rattata. Sorry. Weezing. Normal Pokeball. I don't know what this is. And a Hollow Vaporeon. We have gotten a lot of Pokeballs. So only 3 packs are left. So 2 cards to the front. Mark. Venomon, Rhyhorn, Seeking, Kakuna, a normal Pokeball Kabutops, and a Hollow Ditto. So 2 cards left. Let's see what we got. Maybe not, like, this is not great what I was expecting from my luck, but no issue. Right on. Ductrio, Pidgeot, Pikachu, Krabby, a normal Pokeball trainer, and a Hollow Wintu. So guys, this is the last pack left. Let's get some last pack magic. Maybe if I'm literally gonna scream if it's a God pack, but I know it's not a God pack. Maybe an SIR. Maybe, like, I've seen a lot of people get those Charizard and things like that, but I don't know, like, what has happened to my, like, in like 2 months back I was getting everything. Now it's very hard to pull anything, even when they are guaranteed. So it's a Seeking, it's Ivysaur, Caterpie, Sandshrew, we have Electabuzz. Oh, guys, there is something in here. I can see, you see, I don't know what, it's an SR. So oh
भाई, मारो मुझे, मारो मुझे, मारो नहीं, ये मजाक हो रहा है। एक सेकंड यार, मजाक हो रहा है।
My bad. It's just a normal Pokeball Mewtwo, guys. Imagine if this would have been a Master Ball. I would have, like, made bucks. Lot of, like, I think it's around $100+ right now, but it's a normal Pokeball and a Hollow Aerodactyl, guys. So let's collect all our hits. So I think we got a lot of in terms of normal Pokeballs. So let's put the Master Ball. What do we get? We got Snorlax, Mewtwo, Kabutops, this trainer, I don't know what this is, utility card maybe, Paras, Geodude, Butterfree, Seeking, Scyther, Machop, Poliwag, Pikachu, this is normal now, and our only Master Ball, which is this Lickitung. In the EXs, we got ourselves 4 EXs. One is Kangaskhan, Alakazam EX, Zapdos EX, and beautiful Charizard EX. In the big hits, we got 3 ARs, which are Psyduck AR, Bulbasaur AR, Wartortle AR, and this beautiful Blastoise SR EX card. So guys, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर देना कि नेक्स्ट कौन सा बॉक्स ओपन करूँ मैं।